So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab, and if you want to know how to enable this, check my progress bar, which I will show you. First of all, open the console incognito window. Now if you want to enable this, check the description for it. Now here click on continue and just click on I agree and continue. Okay, now you have to just activate the cloud shell. Just activate the cloud shell. How you can activate? You have to click over it, and here just click on continue and just authorize yourself. And once it's done, you can come back to the description box of this video. I've shared one GitHub repository. You have to just select it and paste over here on the Cloud Shell. Now what it will do, basically it will create a repository and the Caddy file, and then we'll deploy our website and we'll check it. So basically we are using Cloud Run here. So all things will be completed and we'll be done with the lab. So basically all the instructions are already present in the lab instruction. You can try to read and understand also. So let's wait till it gets completed. Now once it's done, we'll check the score, but sometimes what happens, it may take a little bit longer to check the score. So now here, once all things are deployed, if you try to check the score directly, you won't be able to get the score. What you need to do, you need to verify the app, whether the app is working or not. You have to see the Caddy website URL. You can just click on it and just check the score like this. So it will take some time, so wait for it. The score, you will get the score.